Think about this. You walk into Starbucks planning to spend maybe $3. 5 minutes later, you're paying $8. No one forced you. No one pressured you. You chose it. Or did you? Today, we're breaking down one of the most powerful psychological tricks used by modern brands. The decoy effect. Let's make this simple. Imagine you see 3 options on the menu. Small coffee, $3. Medium coffee, $6. Large coffee, $6.50. Now be honest. Which one would you pick? Most people choose the large. Because for just 50 cents more, it feels like a better deal. But here's what's really happening. That medium option? It's not there to sell. It's there to manipulate. This is called the decoy effect. It means adding a third option that isn't meant to be chosen, but is designed to make another option look significantly better. In this case, the medium is overpriced on purpose, so the large feels like a no-brainer. Now notice the shift. You walked in ready to spend $3. Now you're spending $6.50. That's more than double, and it didn't feel like a bad decision. It felt smart. That's the trap. But it doesn't stop there. Once you've chosen the large, you're already in a spending mindset. Now you're asked, add an extra shot? Add caramel? Try oat milk? Each upgrade feels small, because compared to what you've already spent, it doesn't seem like much. And just like that, $6.50 turns into $8 or more. Here's why this works. Your brain doesn't evaluate value in isolation. It compares. You're not asking, do I actually need a large coffee? You're asking, is the large a better deal than the medium? That subtle shift changes everything. And it's not just one trick. It's a system. First, decoy effect makes one option look better. Then, anchoring makes higher prices feel normal. And finally, commitment bias keeps you saying yes once you've started. Layer by layer, you're guided towards spending more. So here's a simple way to break the illusion. Next time you're ordering, ask yourself, if this were the only option, would I still choose it? That removes the comparison and brings back clarity. Because the truth is, you didn't really want the large. You were led there. So the next time you spend $8 on coffee, remember, you're not just buying coffee. You're buying into a system designed to influence your decisions. One more breakdowns like this. Because once you start seeing these patterns, you'll notice them everywhere.